Just fold the fabric and cut neckline and armhole shape and stitch the dress. Very nice dress. There will be no side seam line for the A-line frock for the a baby with sleeveless, or you can stitch with the sleeve, or a shirt with the collar and sleeve. There is no side seam line, so you can just fold the fabric and cut. So watch full video showing a continuous shirt fold for the child. For the kid you can do this way. So this is the total fabric. This is the length of the shirt plus 1.5 inch for down fold and 1 inch for back part extra on shoulder. For the width, take chest size plus 2 inch for ease and 2 inch for placket. Here I am going to fold. This is the 1 inch and this is 1 inch for placket fold. Now fold the fabric this way with the placket, and this is the fold for the center of back part. Refold this as per this is the placket part, leave this way, fold for part extra for placket which will lap on each other. When I am placing this way, then this part will lap on each other, and this is the fold. Fold the fabric in such a way so that placket will overlap on each other, and this will be the front part with open, and that is the back part. Place this way. This is the front part open and this is the center of back. Now draw a line this way and from here mark shoulder for front and same way for back. From this shoulder point mark shoulder drape 3/4 inch to 1/2 inch as per the size. On the front part measure neck width and join this neck width with this shoulder drape. For the back part measure neck width from this edge, this will be extra, and join this shoulder drape with this point. And here the neckline shape will be very less, only 1/2 inch, because you can stitch the collar. If for the collar you need this much only. Now measure armhole length for front and back this way and draw the straight line. This is the back part, so draw armhole shape this way from the center of this line, and for the front part from the center mark 1/4 to 1/2 inch and draw armhole shape this way. Part measure the length 1/12 of the chest and draw front neck shape. Cut this back neckline, shoulder, armhole shape, front shoulder and front neckline. Cutting back neckline, shoulder, and armhole shape front and back and front shoulder. Open placket part this way to cut front neck shape and draw this front neckline up to this part and cut the shape. Now this placket part will match the shape for the front neckline this way. This way the shirt will look, and this back part will lap on front this way. This shoulder will come this way to finish the neckline with collar. So first tag basting you do on the placket open part. After that join shoulder of front and back and finish the neckline with collar and join sleeve bottom and bottom of the shirt. This way can stitch a simple shirt for a kid with collar and short sleeve. There is no side seam, so it is very comfortable to wear. Fold the fabric in such a way to stitch a simple A-line frock. Fold the fabric this way on the from the corner on cross. Now open. This is the center line for the back part, and same way cross fold this way and lap another part with placket open up to 1 inch this way. So this is the look of the this way triangle. Here got the marking. This is for center back and this is the side seam. There will be no side seam. This is will be the continuous, and this is for front part. And draw on a smooth shape for the flare part and cut it. Fold this way and measure. This width should be as per the half of the shoulder plus half inch. Here folded placket part for the front and place this way to draw neckline and armhole shape. This is the neck width for front and the same is for back. This is the back neck shape and this is front neck shape little deep, and here is the center of the shoulder. This is for this way. And now measure 1/4 of the chest for the armhole length. Draw back and front armhole shape, and this is little deep for the front part, and cut the shape. Here also to cut the neck shape, first front neck shape, cut this way and fold the placket and cut as per the shape. This way the shape will come. Now folding this way it will look like. Just do the basting on the placket. That will be get finished automatically with the button stitching and buttonhole. Join shoulder front and back. Finish neckline with collar or piping or lace or whatever you want. You can finish it with sleeveless or can join short sleeve or as per your choice. Finish the frock bottom and you can stitch a very simple, just fold the fabric and cut and stitch a very nice dress for the child. Please subscribe Home Tailoring by Kusum Sharma for so many other videos. For so many upcoming videos for the children dresses, subscribe now. Home Tailoring by Kusum Sharma YouTube channel.